Okay, hi. We already discussed about quadrature rules. So let's see some applications in MATLAB. So in MATLAB, actually, there are two main functions that we can use for numerical integration problems. One of them I would like to show you is the quad function. So here you can notice that I have defined a function here. And suppose this is our integration problem. We are trying to integrate this integral e to the power minus x times sine 10x dx. So this is over 0 to 2 pi. So first you need to write down or define your function like this one using this add operator in MATLAB. And you can test your function like what I have done here. My function, if I evaluate this at x equals to 1, it gives me the answer. And if I want to integrate this function now, I'm going to use this quad function. I will input the function that I defined as my function, and I need to just enter what's the domain for my integration, which is 0 to 2 pi. So you can see that if we compare with our exact solution in this example, which is actually obtained by integration by parts formula here, you can see that it is 0.0988, and we get something quite close to that. And for more information, of course, you can type in your help file in MATLAB. If you type quad, you can find a bit more information on this function. And actually, the new versions of MATLAB, they are switching to the integral function instead of the quad function. And you can also notice that if you want to increase the tolerance, you can input one more argument here. And the default is 10 to the minus 6. So if you want a bit better accuracy, you can change this. You can make this tolerance level smaller if you want a more accurate result. So here is also same in our slides, and let's also try the integral function. And again, as I said, if you want a bit more information on the integral function, again, we can just call our help documentation. And you can see the syntax is quite similar. We have the function as the first argument, and we have the minimum and maximum values that we want to do the integration. So it is just like the quad function in that sense. So we can just input the 0 to 2 pi. And we can see that actually this one even gave us a closer result to the true solution, which was actually exactly the same as this number here. Here there are some more examples in our slides, so please check these examples. You can try to integrate them using the given codes here. And additionally, I also provided some plotting functions in MATLAB. Usually plotting functions are quite useful for many different problems. You want to see the behavior of your function over the domain that you are trying to do some numerical computation. So you can use the easy plot, which is again here. And alternatively, the new versions, I think the MATLAB's new version are using the fplot function. So these two functions you can use with these given examples, and you can try these with other functions that you would like.